Hi everyone, this is Sumani Shana here. Today we are going to discuss the chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. We enjoyed working with numbers in our previous classes, right? We have added numbers, subtracted, multiplied and divided them. Today in this chapter I am going to discuss such an interesting things like comparing numbers. We all use numbers and we know many things about numbers, right? Numbers help us to count objects. They help us to say which collection of objects is bigger and which one is smaller from a list of numbers. And we are now able to arrange them in order. That order means we have already discussed in previous class that ascending order and descending order. What do you mean by ascending order? From a smaller number to bigger number, we are arranging the numbers. Then we will call it as increasing order or ascending order. In the same way, arrangement from the greatest to the smallest, we call it as descending order or decreasing order. See, descending and decreasing both has D, so you can remember very easily, right? Now I am going to ask you something. Which one is the greatest 4-digit number? Yes, 9,999. Fine. Then which one will be the largest 5-digit number? 99,009. And then we know that adding 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, we are adding 1 to the greatest 5-digit number should give the smallest 6-digit number, right? Then what will be that smallest 6-digit number? How many zeros are there? Yeah, 5 zeros are there. And what will be the number? What is the name of the number? How we will name this number? Yes, it's 1 lakh. Then I will give you another 6-digit number. Okay, can you read this number? Did you find it difficult to keep the track? Sometimes yes, right? There you can make use of some rules for read and write large. For naming the numbers according to their values, we have two types of numeral system. One is Indian numeral system, the other one is international numeral system. Numerals means number. In both number system, we use commas as indicator to read and write the numbers. There are only few difference in both systems. Means in Indian system, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs followed by crores families. Now you children listen carefully. The first comma comes after hundreds place and it marks thousands. The second comma, we are discussing now about the second comma, comes 2 digit later after 10,000s place and marks what it marks? It marks lakhs. The third comma comes after another 2 digits after 10 lakh place and it marks crore. Now you can see the example. How will read this number? It is 53 crores, 64 lakhs, 69,430. We can make use of place value tables for writing the numbers for your convenience as shown in the figure. We will enter the place value names in the upper column like ones, tens and hundreds and all. The numbers in the below column on the table. There it is very easy to read. Similarly, you can name any larger digit number so quickly by using this method. If it is a 6-digit number or 7-digit number or a 10-digit number, you can name it. Now we can learn about international number system. Here the only difference is that commas comes after every 3 digits from the right. From the right we will put comma after every 3 The first comma marks thousands, the same like in Indian system. The first comma marks thousands, second comma marks, there is a difference, it marks millions. The second comma comes after 3 digits and it marks millions, and the third comma comes after another 3 digits, then that marks billions. The third comma marks billions. We will see with an example. Here in your screen you can see a number. I put commas from the right side after 3 digit, then after 3 digit followed by again a 3 digit, I put comma. Then how we will read this number? It's 7,838,532,340. Okay, now we can check the same thing with another example. Okay, in the screen you can see a 9-digit number, and we are going to name the number in Indian number system and also in international number system. First we will check with Indian number system. Okay, there are 9 digits. From the right we will put comma, first 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. The numbers are over now. Okay, then how we'll read this number? It's 39 crores 35 lakhs 43,175 in Indian system. Let's check with international system. As I told you, from the right you have to put comma after 3 digit followed by 3 digit, then again 3 digit. Okay, I have put comma there. Then how will read this number? The number is 393,543,175. That is the only difference in Indian system and in international number system. Hope you all understood this. Thank you for watching.